Buckle is a boy. He is sleeping in his bed. His mother calls him, "Buckle, wake up. It's time to go to the school." Buckle wakes up and goes for a bath. His blue bucket is kept ready with warm water. He eats bread and butter for breakfast. He takes his bag and bottle and waits for his bus to come. In his school, he draws a basket full of bananas. His teacher gives him a balloon as a prize. Buckle is so happy today. Children, this is B. Come on, speak with me. This is B. B. One more time. B. Now, let's identify the words with the sound B in the story. B. Buckle. B. Boy. B. Bed. B. Bath. B. Blue. B. Breakfast. B. Bucket. B. Bread. B. Basket. B. Bag. B. Bottle. B. Bus. B. Bananas. B. Balloon. Now go around the house and look for things that begin with the sound